Hello to everyone and very welcome to the beautiful private English garden where I'm working more than 15 years. It's so much work in this time of the year that I'm feeling myself like this be very busy. So today, like another days, I started my working day from just observation of the garden to decide which area needs more attention. So, and I inviting you just walk with me around the garden and see what going on. This is formal part of the garden. The perennials borders surrounded by yew hedges. Of course, it's a very busy time of the year for the gardeners. Weeds are growing just faster than you could run. But from another side, the garden showing its best as well. It's very green, very lush, lots of flowers. The size of the garden is about 6 acres and we have extensive meadows areas. Some areas are flowering whole summer. Some areas were cut just now because majority of plants it's bluebells, crocuses, daffodils, so it's more for spring interest. Roses and clematis, probably it's my favorite plants combination for this time of the year and we use it quite a lot. I'm personally like rustic structures. The plants look very natural, supported by it, and also it feels very charming. all these foxgloves were self-seeded, and they look very charming with these roses. So we give to our plants quite a lot of freedom, and I think it works because every time we have some new combinations of plants, sometimes it's just like surprise, and well, all plants are beautiful, and probably the nature is the best artist. In fact, majority of hollyhocks are self-seeded as well. It is disaster, goose grass in this time of the year. The garden has got 3 levels, and this is top one. And when you walk in this path, you could see beautiful views of the garden and surroundings. This is all what I could show you today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please put your thumb up, leave your comment and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Stay with us and you will see many more beautiful gardens and fantastic places. Have a nice day and see you soon. Goodbye.